What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace these side marker lights on your BMW E90. So here we go. With my car being 13 years old, it's probably time to take these old oxidized side marker lights off and replace them with something a little more up to date. Here we have the new lights, nice and clear and LED. They also have an effect where when you turn them on, they go in a line. It's kind of easier to show than say, but here we go. First thing we need to do is take a pry tool, pry off the old lights. So here we go. It's pretty simple. All you do is push the light to the side and then pry off. Next step is to unplug the connector here at the back. Once you unplug this from the old light, you may need to take this white part off because you might need to reuse it in the new light. However, that's not the case with my LEDs. Mine plugs right on in to the car. Be aware that the connector does only go in one way. Now, before we go ahead and reattach the light to the car, let's go ahead and turn on the car and make sure the light works. Now we got a working light. Let's go ahead and do the other side. And just like that, the DIY has been complete. And that will conclude today's DIY video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and drop a like and even subscribe for more BMW content. And I'll see you guys in the next video.